Hi there. In this video, we're going to be going over the engagement tools features of Soci Chatbot, and it has a number of tools to get subscribers to your bot and to your messenger. And this is where you put on your websites and so forth for invitations for people to invite to your bot. So you go to the menu here, you go to Messenger Bot, and you'll see in the menu here it says Messenger Engagement. And you click on there, there's 4 of them: a Checkbox Plugin, Send a Messenger, Me Link, Customer Chat Plugin. Now, my favorite is the Me Link because it's really versatile. But before you do that, when somebody clicks on a link or a button or whatever, you have to make sure that they have a response. And so you first have to create a postback response. You go to Postback Manager, and you'll see that I've created a sample for each one of them. Okay, Customer Chat, Me Link, Send a Messenger, Checkbox Plugin. And you just create a new template and go from there. Okay. So I'm going to go right into the Messenger engagement, and the first one I'm going to go to Checkbox Plugin, and you click on Create Plugin. You can create as many as you want, and you select your page. So I'm going to be using my demo page. This is my demo page here, the insurance page. Select your page. You have to have a SSL, so it has to have an S on it. Okay, make sure it has an S on it. So I'm going to putting it on there. I'm going to be putting it on this page right here. Okay, and from there, the plugin skin, light or dark. Okay, I'll put it at dark. You want it center aligned. Choose yes, so make the plugin aligned. The plugin size, small, medium, large, extra large. Now, once they click on the button, do you want it to redirect to a web page on successful opt-in? And if you do, okay, the default is it'll redirect to their messenger conversation, or you can put in any URL you want. You can put your own thank you page or what have you. Okay, right there. And from there, if you don't want that, a little pop-up will happen. It'll say you've been subscribed successfully. Okay. And if you want to have a button, I want to add a button as a success message. Click on that, and it'll say send message, and it'll default to the messenger conversation. Okay. I'm just going to leave this as default. From here it says the checkbox validation error. Say oops, error has happened. Make sure you select checkbox. Okay, and this is where you select your confirmation message. Remember, I created these in the Postback Manager, so I'm going to select the Checkbox Plugin template, and here you can put a reference, and I'll just put 1. That's fine. And you can select a label if you want. Okay, lots of labels you can choose from, like a prospect or a customer, what have you. I'm going to keep that blank for now. So I'm going to generate the embed code. And here is the embed code. And you can click here and click on copy. Okay, so that's copied. And I'm going to go and I'm going to put it on this page right here. Okay, so I'm going to come here and I'm going to put it on the Checkbox plugin. I'm going to put that embed code right there. Okay, that's where the embed code is, right there. And I'm going to save that. I'm going to refresh. Okay, and there it is right there. Okay, and so if I go if I send a messenger, see that, and send message. You see that? So this checkbox plugin this is the message that worked just fine. This is the insurance demo that worked perfectly. And from there, we're going to go back, and that's the checkbox plugin. It worked perfectly. I'm going to pause this for a minute. Okay, so that's the checkbox plugins. You can see here it shows you the page. You can click here and get the code, embed code, once again anytime you want, and gives you all the information. Okay, that's the Checkbox plugin, and it works great. It's right there for the sample. From here, we're going to go to the messenger bot, and we're going to go to the next one, and let's send a messenger. And we're going to create a send a messenger, and select the page. That's a demo. And once again, I'm going to put in the, make sure it's SSL, secure, and you can have a call to action button. And so we're going to, which one here? Tell me more. There you go. And you can have a white or blue plugin size, standard, large, extra. Do you want to have it redirect, or do you want to have the same thing? You want to have it redirect to any URL you want, or to the messenger conversation, or do you want to have it just like the last one, have a button? Okay, and I'm gonna have buttons just like the last one, and you can put any message there that you want. And once again, you select your confirmation message that goes in the messenger. And I made one. This is a postback reply template. So here's the send a messenger one that I made. Okay, I'm going to keep this as reference 2. You can select a label if you want for reference, and get the embed code. And once again, you can copy that. And we're going to come down here. This is the send a messenger. So I'm going to come there. I'm going to put that right there, right under there, and I'm going to save that. And I'm going to come here, and I'm going to refresh. And there's the send a messenger. Okay, it says tell me more, and I can center this a little bit better. I'll just click on there. There, I've been subscribed. There you go, and there's the message. See, this is a send a messenger sample message. So it's working perfectly. Okay. From there, the next one is going to be the me link. So let's go back, and we'll go and create a me link. And go to messenger engagement. This is my favorite one to use. And you can create a button or just to get the raw URL. So I'll select the page, sample page, and I'll just leave this as a text. You can put anything you want there. This is the system will create a new button, and I'll just leave it as default here. But you can change the background, anything that you want here. It's color pickers for everything. I'm just going to leave this reference as 3. And you can select the label as you want, and it's going to be the postback reply template, and there's my me link template. Generate the code, and I usually get the raw. I use this raw URL, so you just pass this around all over the internet, and it'll when people click on that, they will be subscribed to your bot. Or you can come here, you can create a button as well. And I can come here, I'm going to put that me link code right there. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to refresh this. All right, there's the send message, and it's going to go right to the conversation, and it goes from there. Okay, so there's right there. This is a me link sample message. All right, perfect. So it's working great. From there, we're going to go to the last one. And I will come back, and I will go to the last one. Oh, by the way, the me link, let me just show you the me link. Here's the me link. It also has a QR code. See that? So you can put that anywhere that you want. So it's really, really cool. You can place that me link, that QR code anywhere that you want. All right. From there, we will come and go to the messenger bot. Once again, the last one is the customer chat plugin, which is right here, customer chat plugin. I like this one for blogs and all kinds of stuff, sales pages. And once again, I'll put that on for this page here. You select your page and make sure it's a secure site. And I'm going to keep this. You can select a lot of different languages that you can select. The chat plugin loading. Okay, do you want to hide, show, or fade? I'll show. Load in seconds. Say, for example, 2 seconds loading. You can change the color picker here. Do not show if logged in. Yes or no. Greeting text is if logged into Facebook. A minimum of 80 characters. And from there, green text if not logged into Facebook. And you can put anything that you want right there. Here you make sure you have your reply template. So here's a customer chat plugin right there. And my reference is going to be 4, and you can select a label for that for filtering. I will click on the embed code. And here you got 2 options. Okay. Here you got 2 options. You can copy the code, or if you have a WordPress blog, you can download a WordPress plugin. See that's a WordPress plugin. You can just upload it to your WordPress and for your chat. But this is the raw code here for your embed code. I will save that. And if you want to get once again, you can click on there to get the code. And here's the WordPress. See? I'm going to go back to my page, and I'm going to put the customer chat stuff right there. There's a customer chat script. I'm going to refresh this. And I'm going to refresh. All right, so there it is right there, okay? Hi, how can I help you? So continue as Mark. All right, so this is a customer chat plugin message, so it works out great, okay? And same as right there. So this is all the features. It's got the Checkbox plugin for Checkbox. It's got the, and anytime somebody does that, it subscribes them. Send a messenger button. I can make that button bigger and center it. It's got the Me link, as well as the customer chat menu down there. Thank you.